All right. Please, sir. Who is the owner of all this load?
It's my own.
You?
Yes.
Please come down, sir. Come down. Come down. I hope that the landlords are aware that you people are packed.
So which kind of question is
I want to know.
My landlord knows. In fact, we have actually decided to go to the village.
Naka, are you foolish? Eh? Are you foolish? I'm asking you. Is this man here for the Christmas? Are you our father? Why are you explaining to him why you left the city? Or what you left the city with? Is that your business? Is that why you are here?
Honey, calm down now. It's nothing.
Please, brother. Please, I'm here. We are here to do our job.
Mandant, don't say what would make us to detain you here. In fact, you have to drop the load to examine and check if the receipt is correct.
Go and examine the load and check it now. Examine it. How am I even sure you are police officers? Wait, I am coming. I will give you the receipt you are asking for now.
Let me go.
What do you mean?
Please, don't listen to anything she says. Please.
Hey, brother, you should know. Please, sir. Honestly, if it's not the way you are talking, I would have arrested her. So I insulted the police officer.
Take the receipt. Because you see him standing like a human being. You think this one is a human being?
Why you always putting me into trouble?
What do you mean by that? Are you foolish? Are you foolish?
Honey, what is this?
Sir, please. Please, my brother Abo, I think I can see that you're under a bondage. Please, people should leave. Please. It's okay. From the look of things, please. You can go. Please.
I am not going. I will not go like that. I must stay behind and watch this car move first. Because I do not like the way you were looking at that stove when I brought it out. Yes, I will not go like that.
Honey, enter the car now. Enter the car. What are you doing?
Are you crazy? Do you think I am playing with you?
No, I don't.
Do you think I'm playing with you? Do you think I'm playing with you? Everybody will suffer for you. Everybody will suffer for you.
Come down now.
Does he think I'm playing? Does he think I am playing?
Driver, start this one and leave.
Did you pass your WAEC?
Huh?
Did you pass your WAEC?
Huh? My WAEC? I did.
Don't be angry.
It's okay. You people should go.
Fix the chair. So get down. Are you my father?
Where are you going with that one?
Where are you going with that one? Do you think I'm playing? You want to collect the receipt for this order? You think I'm playing?
Sorry. Let me put it in. Please. Driver, please. You should go. Please. Upstairs. Allow them to go. Move your car.
I have warned you not to make me angry!
How dare you? Ure, leave your husband alone. You will kill this man. You will kill this man.
Please stop. Leave him alone. Kill this man now. No. Kill this man. No. You will kill this man. Ure, please stop. Stop now. You will kill him. Stop.
Please, get out. You will kill this man. You will kill this man.
It's okay.
The next time you get me angry again, I will kill you!
It's okay now.
I have warned you not to make me angry! The next time I will kill you!
I love you, oh banana. Shaping a 1+1 supposed to make us two. Whether you good or bad, now for me and you. 'cause 1 + 1 is equal to me and you.
My brother! You are welcome! You are welcome, my brother! You are welcome, Elisa! I am happy you are here. Hey!
Uncle, welcome.
All right. You are welcome.
No.
God, thank you. Hey, I am so glad. I am so glad.
This is clean. I did it. Me and Azuka. Yes.
You did a wonderful work.
Hey, everywhere is clean. Thank you.
Honey,
the best water.
Honey, they clean everywhere. Hey, you like it?
You suffer for it. You must suffer for it.
Hey.
God, thank you.
Let him sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down. Let me keep this in mind. Because he doesn't enjoy anybody.
You people have tried, though. Thank you so much. You really cleaned the entire place.
No.
It's sparkling.
Eliza, don't thank us. We are happy to do it. Yes. You know, you hardly come to the village since you married my brother-in-law, Naka. So I had to clean the whole place. Look at it. No cobwebs anymore. I cleaned everywhere to make sure that the compound is in good shape for you.
You outdid yourself. It's beautiful.
I see.
I even fetch water for you. Oh, yes, you need water. See. And before, students were living here. So I have to evacuate them for you to be comfortable.
Thank you.
Auntie, I am so happy that you're finally back in the village. I am very happy, Auntie.
Yes, sir.
You are so happy that I am finally back in the village.
Yes, now. I am happy.
You are not a good person. I said you are not a good person. So, you were never happy that I was living in the city, right?
Auntie, no, now. That's not what I meant.
You better mean it that way. You better mean it that way. Because I am extremely upset I am in this village. Do not allow me have problems with you. Do not allow me have problems with you.
I am very happy that you are finally back in the village. Very happy. Eliza, my daughter didn't mean it that way.
Then what did she mean?
Don't be angry now.
Then what did she mean? If not for the fact that both of you have helped me to clean this compound and everywhere is sparkling, I would have showed you the other side of me. We're not family! We're not family! We're not family! We are not family!
Madam Trouble, I think say you be Buzuli. Abokunoka, echem neba zwanuka.
Napa! So where has he gone?
Honey,
Where have you been?
I went to see off Mazib and his family.
Hi. I need to see Mazibi and his family.
Huh? So you have finally succeeded in turning a town big girl into a village woman. Okay?
Honey, why are you talking like this? Why? Okay, do you expect me to rob the bank for us to be in the city? No! Things are bad. You know things are bad for us. We only came back here to, gather momentum and then we can go back to the city.
Idaraya. Ube. Akoko. So you think you can wash my brain? Eh? You think you can wash my brain? You do not have to go back to the city. You don't. Because you are too dull. You are too dull.
Okay, no. I am not washing your brain.
You don't have to go back to the city. No, because you are too dull. You are not smart at all. If not, all the years you have been in the city, what did you achieve? What did you achieve? Now, you brought me back to the village to come and become a village person. Turned us into village people.
Honey, you are not a village woman. I'm not a village man. We are not village people. Look at us. See, you should be grateful to God that we have a home we can hide in.
Hide from who? Ndi Rogi. Huh? Naka, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. That after all your exposure, you could resort to this. Coming to the village. Huh? Don't worry. Very soon, your kinsmen will go and buy you a small red cap. And I'll put it here, right here in the middle of your head. And then they will invite you to come and please join the king's cabinet. Ndichi. Wilaka. Then they will look at me and say, hey, Marama, please come and join the village market women meeting. But do not worry yourself, because you have made a very, very big mistake by bringing me to come and stay in this village. You will regret it. In fact, you, your kinsmen, the entire village will see Village War Part 2. Yes, there will be no peace in this village until you take me back to the city. Everybody will suffer for it. Everybody who is seeing now and is not saying anything will suffer for it. Don't keep quiet. I said they will all suffer for it. I said, okay, don't worry. They will all suffer for it. Every single person who has seen and has said nothing, who has heard and has not called you to advise you, they will all suffer for it. You will suffer for it. Even you will suffer for it. Stop advising him, because you will all suffer for it.
I love you. Oh, banana. Should be now 1 + 1 is supposed to make us 2.
Everybody will suffer for it. Everybody in this house will suffer for it.
Nothing can be more different.
What kind of couple is this?
Loving someone but can love you.
Did I do a wrong thing by marrying her? Or is it a crime to be in love with my wife?
You will suffer for it. Even your love will suffer for it.
God the punish poverty. Let them out the punish poverty. Devil the punish poverty. Punish poverty. I said punish poverty.
I will come and check up on you from time to time. Okay.
I'm greeting.
What is it, this woman? What is it?
It's Nanta.
Do you not know what it means when somebody is on a phone call? On Ajum? Are you here to ask me questions?
Sorry, why are you attacking me? I heard that my brother Nnaka is back, so I decided to come and greet him.
I am attacking you. In my own house. Do not allow me to throw something at you this afternoon. Do not allow me to throw you something. What do you mean? Somebody left the city and came to sit in the village, and you came here to greet him. Did he kill a lion? Did he kill a lion? Instead of coming to sympathize with him, you are coming here to greet him. Don't worry. Continue greeting me. All of you. Wadonu! Just don't worry. Continue.
Yeah.
This village is going to be hell for all of you.
Yeah.
Honey, what is it? Mamuche, it's you.
It's you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I heard you are bad, so I said let me come and greet you. Huh? Is this your wife?
Yes. She's my wife. How is your husband?
He's very fine.
Okay. I know you've not seen her before.
Yes.
When you married her, I went for Mogo. And since then, I haven't seen her. Nebiko, if I've offended you, sorry. No?
Hey, keep your sorry to yourself. Keep your sorry to yourself. Don't tell me sorry. You're here to greet him. Did he fall down? Does he have an injury? You came to greet him. Somebody fell back to poverty, and you are here to greet him. Every single person who is aware and has said nothing, every single person in this village, everybody, they will suffer for it. Kwadonu! Because you will suffer for it. This is your useless brother. Here, brought me all the way from the city to come and become a village woman. And you are here. Kwado!
Here.
Mamuche, my wife is not in a very good mood. There's no problem. She's not in a good mood. Please, come and sit down.
Let me be going. My husband went to the king's palace. Last, I heard that you are back, so I said, let me come and greet you. Maybe in the morning he will come and see you.
It's all right. It's all right. All right. Thank you. All right.
Nonsense. What kind of useless people are these? A man leaves the city and relocates to the village. Instead of sympathizing with him, better still, chastising him. They are here, greeting him. No.
Honey, that woman is a member of our kindred. You should have been nice to her.
Makageni. Why? Who is she? That she's a member of your kindred will not save her from my wrath. Did you hear me? Since they've been coming here to greet you, have you given any of them common mineral? Did you come back to this village with one kobo?
See, they are doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, how would you feel if we had come back and there was nobody to see us, to even greet us?
I would have been very happy, because that will mean that our stay in this village will not last at all. But now they keep coming here, saying no, daloso, making you feel relaxed and comfortable, making you believe that we are on the same level with them. Very soon, the women will begin to come here and ask how to write my name on their register.
Is there anything wrong with that? Is there anything wrong with that? She's even the secretary of the kindred women and even the secretary of CWO.
I knew it. She came here for me. They want to know my full name and how to write it on the register. But not to worry. I have to brace up to the occasion, make more trouble, and make them regret my staying in this village. That's what I have to do. Yes.
Okay. I am very sorry for bringing you to this village. I'm very sorry. I promise you, our stay will not be long. We'll leave as soon as possible. Okay? I know you're hungry. What do we do about food?
He's asking me what we'll do about food. But do not worry, Eliza. Do not worry at all. Just wait until you're hungry. And in 20 minutes, you will certainly be hungry. And then there'll be no food in front of you. By that time, the entire villagers will gather for us. Do not worry at all. Do not be angry with him. Do not even bother about looking for any weapon around to break his head with. Because right beside you, there is a weapon for mass destruction. There are good weapons all around you.
Just sit down, okay? I'll fix something. I'll make food for us. Let's sit down, okay? Sit down. Sit down now. Sit down. I'll make food. It's me. It's me. Why are you doing this?
I said you are not going anywhere until you give me money to hold on to before you're back.
Hey, Naka, what is happening here?
Mazi, just take a good look at me. Just take a good look at me. Tell me, what wrong have I done this woman this morning?
Ini, please. Leave her alone. It's not good enough. Don't you know that people can see the two of you like this?
And if they see what will happen? If they see us, what will happen? He is not going anywhere until he gives me money to hold on to. Just in case I get hungry before he gets back. I am sick and tired of people bringing food into this compound as if we are in a prison.
What is wrong in my family members bringing food for us? So Asoka, who brought food here yesterday, is now someone.
Ini, please, leave him. Let him go. We are not even going far. I just want to go and show him something.
Simple. Simple.
Ma, you're very funny. You're funny. You honestly think I care about where you go to? I do not care. If you like, take him to hellfire to visit the devil. I don't care. All I know is that he will give me money before he leaves this house.
It is okay. It is okay. Leave him. Let me see. I think I should have some money.
Leave him. How?
Leave him. We are not going far. It's okay.
Wait, now he wants to give you money. He wants to give you money.
I have some money. I have some money in my bag.
He's drinking it.
Come and sit down. Come and sit down.
Wait, now.
Come and sit down. Sit down.
Wait. He's bringing the money.
Sit down.
Oh, he's bringing the money.
Listen, that is okay. It's okay. It's alright. Leave him. Leave him. I will eat.
Oh,
wait.
Ah.
In the house. Hey.
Nice.
Leave him. Let us go.
You have been bringing the money since. Bring it.
Please.
Just look at me. This is what I have been going through all the time. Is it a bad thing for a man to love his wife?
Naka, we cannot open our eyes and see your wife treat you like this in the village. Never. Not that she has even given you a child.
That one, I've left that one for God to handle. What I'm praying for is for her to treat me well. That's all.
Naka, we cannot open our eyes to see her treat you this way. You have to open your eyes. Naka, you have to wake up. Wake up, open your eyes and stand up like a man.
You will not believe. You see the phone my wife is using? The phone she is using is enough to pay our house rent in the city. Or even start a small business for her. If I tell you what I went through to get that phone for her, you will not believe me. Uche, the phone my wife is using right now is more than 150,000 naira.
Yeah. Hey! How much? 150,000 naira.
I bought it.
Naka, are you this weak? Yeah. Your late father was not like this.
This is not weakness.
Then what we call it? What we call it?
My wife knows that I love her so much. That's why she's doing all this. But now that we are in the village, I just hope she will gradually calm down. So,
anyway, I don't have anything to say again. Let us go. Until I see the other members of the family.
Eliza, you have to register with the women now. Because when they start seeing you in the village for a very long time, they will attack you.
They will attack me. The village men, they will attack me. Hey!
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
Please, I'm begging you. Biko, help me and beg them. Help me and cajole them. Help me and instigate them to please attack me on the road. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, I just begged you now that I must come and join CWO and the village women. Makagini, am I a village woman? Do I look like a village woman? Eh? I'm asking you.
Elisa, nobody is saying that you look like a village woman. But because you're married in this community and in this family, you should identify with the women. That's what I'm talking about. Yes.
Or else they will attack me. That village women meeting or the CWO meeting, count all the women there. Which of them dresses the way I dress? This is human hair. Which of them has human hair? Which of them uses the kind of phone I use? Which of them can even afford this kind of wristwatch? Look at my wedding band that this useless man bought for me before we came here. Which of them can afford it? I knew that very, very soon, you will open this your mouth and tell me to go and register with the village women. Hi! If not that you have been nice. If not that you helped me clean this house. If not that when I sent you to the market, you went peacefully without any hazards. Hi! I would have slapped you like this so that you can tell them what kind of a troublemaker I am. Hi! Say they will attack me. Hi! They should come and attack me.
Elisa, I have done what I'm supposed to do. But you know that some of the women are equally troublesome. But I don't want you to have issues with them. So I will cover up for you.
I don't want that. Do not cover up for me. Cha-cha, I don't want it. Did you hear me? In fact, in order for you not to stress yourself, I will pay them a visit. Okay. I'll pay them a visit.
In any case, don't worry. I'll talk to your husband myself. So that he will give me money to buy the CWO uniform for you. Because our August meeting is approaching very soon. I want you to wear it to the meeting.
I said they will see me very, very soon. This is not the CWO women. They will attack me. Man, you don't even know me at all. You don't know me at all. You don't know the things I can do. You don't know the things I can do. The cheerleader.
Hi. Stop now.
Assistant cheerleader.
Hi.
The secretary. You're lazy.
See, because let me tell you, see, nobody in this village, when we go near the nobody will eat my money and go scot-free. See, as for you don't eat my money, you must give me the, whether you like it or not, here and now, you can go at and do the something. I'm going to tell you.
The boy, leave my way. Get out from my way now. What is your problem? Why are you stressing my life in this village?
Yeah, okay.
Did I do any business with you?
Why are you disturbing this girl?
Why are you disturbing her? Do you want to rape her? Ask him, ask him. No. He has been disturbing me that he wants me to be his girlfriend. I said no. The next day, he gave me money. I didn't ask him, just for that show. And now he's telling me that it's either I give him back the money or I follow him to the bush to do. Can you imagine?
I knew it. Immediately you see a girl and a boy arguing on the road, it always has to do with the bush. You're a very, very foolish round man. You're very foolish. Go where? Who are you, sir? Hey, what should you see?
Look, let me tell you. No be I the beauty woman. I know there for you know if you eat run away.
Help me avoid it. Thank you very, very much. Bikono, let me fight this fight for you. Thank you. So, are you a bit woman?
Yes!
No problem. That is because you have never ever heard of Eliza, Naka's wife, from the city. I will show you city style this today. In the village.
Yes.
You bit woman. Idiot.
You beat women. Let's go home. You beat women. Elida.
How man I beat you? For you, the people go see you to see something.
Papa.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa. Papa, where is Choma?
Choma went out.
Oh, okay.
Your face is not looking bright. Hmm?
Papa, I'm fine. I'm just stressed. I'm fine.
Don't tell me because the sickness has started again. Hmm?
Papa, why not calm down? I'm here now. Let's go inside, please.
Honey? Honey? Hey! Where are you? I'm back, oh, I'm back. If there's anything you cook something, please. I'm hungry.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Azuka, my sister.
Uncle.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi.
What about Auntie?
I don't know if she's inside or she went out. I'm just coming back. I went out with your father.
Yes. He just came back now.
Okay.
Uncle, I brought you to food.
Hi. I don't know how to thank you people. I don't know.
Uncle, you don't have to thank us. Uncle, you are our own.
Hi.
So you don't have to.
Thank you.
Alright, Uncle, I have to rush back home.
Okay.
Okay, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
I'll see you later.
Hey, is that me? Hi. Honey? I think she's out. Let me keep some for her. Honey, you're back.
What is going on here?
You're back.
No, I'm not back. I'm still at the market. What is going on here?
You didn't see Azok on the road? She just left. She brought food. Yes.
And you're about to eat the food without waiting for me?
How now? No. I was just I just taken some and kept yours. You know, I wouldn't know when you'll be coming back. By the way, what did you buy? What did you just do? Seafood, and somebody's hungry. Even the meat. See, come and pick this plate. Oh. Come and pick this plate.
Alice, I'm happy I'm doing my best for them. Before people will start to say, talk here and there.
My husband, you are doing the right thing. But look at the Chiokaka. Since Naka stepped his foot into this place, Ichokaka has not seen him, let alone coming to welcome him. If he had come with money now, plenty of it, he will have flown into this place like a kite, boom, and go away with the money. But because he didn't come with money, he stayed away, stayed aloof.
Don't mind her. I'm even happy that he's back. But I have to show him that I'm happy for him. Naka is a lazy person. Abi? Naka is a lazy person. As much. It is obvious that he cannot even make use of the land. Yes.
I thought as much. Look at the way Lisa is twisting him, honey. Like the baby puppy.
Hey, Papa. That woman is going to be tough. The way I'm seeing it, the woman is going to be tough.
Eliza is not an easy nut to crack. At all. Eliza is troublesome. She is problematic. Mama even told me that she insulted her this morning. Almost beat her up. Yes, she told me.
I noticed it. This morning, was I not the one that separated them from fight?
So why are you surprised?
Again?
Yes.
Oh.
Honestly, that woman is not the kind of a woman that our brother should marry. Eliza will kill Naka one day.
Papa, Papa, yes. You people should start now. Papa, you people should start on time and do something about it. Do something about it now.
What do you want me to do? When Naka was to marry Eliza, we told him no, you cannot marry this kind of a woman. Naka said, I am in love, I love her, and he went ahead to marry her. So what do you want me to do?
Of wanting to.
Up till now, Eliza has not even given him a child. The only son of our late brother. So what do you want me to do? Azuka,
Papa.
This later, go and call Naka for me. Okay. I need to find out from him why himself and Udukwe have not gone to see Naka since they came back from the city.
Yeah, they should have come to see him.
Yes.
At least to welcome him. And find out how they will help him. And that is Eliza.
No problem, Papa. I will call him.
God will help us.
Amen.
What are you doing here? Let's go inside.
No, Jimmy, get up. Let's go inside and sleep. I'm not sleeping inside that place this night. No lights, no fan. Oh, say, can you get up? Get up, let's go inside and sleep.
You want to sleep here? Eh?
Yes, I will sleep here this night. Did you hear me? So if you want to sleep, go in and sleep.
I am not going to allow you sleep here alone. I'm not going to allow you sleep outside. Let's go inside.
Drag me. I have seen that you brought me back from the city. You come and kill me in this village. You just want me to suffer. I said I'm not going inside there again. Can't you see that place is too hot? I can't see anything. Everywhere is dark. With this your black face.
Anyway, okay. You want to sleep here? Both of us will sleep here now.
Where?
Shift.
Where?
I won't allow you to sleep here. Shift.
Go and look for your place. Do you think I'm playing with you?
Okay. If this is what you want, both of us will stay outside here. I'll sleep here.
You think I'm playing with you? Go inside. Go inside. Inside the heat, where there is no light. Which I'll be feeling. Is this your hard beers and your black face? Come in. Let's go. Let's sleep outside. Let's sleep outside.
Oh, you know it.
Auntie, I've done it.
Asuka. Okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
Auntie,
let me go and fetch another one.
Hey, thank you.
Okay.
Asuka, come. Let me follow you to see where you fetch the water from. Besides, it is not your fault or my fault that you have been cursed with a poverty-stricken brother, or that I have been cursed with a dumb poverty-stricken husband. Do not worry, don't let it bother you too much. Let me go and get the water and follow you down to the stream so I can learn how to fetch water. Eliza is going to the stream to fetch water. You, compound, do not worry. Just start small from here. Before you know, you are done. Start small, oh? Let me go and get my dad.
No, it's nothing. There's nothing to worry about. Yeah? There's nothing to worry about. No, don't worry. My brother!
You're welcome.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, look at him. That's my brother.
That's your brother.
Are you the one sweeping?
My wife went to the stream to fetch water. So I decided to help by sweeping.
Village is city life. City life.
You know how it is.
I know how it is.
It's okay.
It's alright.
For not coming since you returned.
We have been busy with Igwe.
Oh
yes.
I heard. So it's not a problem. Your wife was here. Yeah, she came to see us. Yes. So there's no problem.
How are the Kazi offer? Oh, Putuki. City life is very good in your body. City life is very good.
Yes. City. You see, city. It is not as you think. In fact, come and sit down, let me gist you. Sit down. Let me gist you.
Something I like. So to be the only thing I like in this foolish village of yours. Auntie, don't worry. Which time is it? Auntie, calm down. I'll stop you. Sorry now. I'll stop you. You don't talk to serious like that.
Okay, good morning.
Okay, I'm great.
Take your time.
Are we quarreling?
Are you foolish? Huh? Are you foolish? I'm asking you. Do you know who I am? You are walking with me along the road and you are greeting one non-entity. And the non-entity is not even answering you. It's acting like the Igwe of the village. And you are still begging him. This is Yaki here. And you are still asking him if there's a quarrel. Stop it there. Look, you insult everybody in this village. Don't try to know how I would deal with you. Quiet! The one that says that you should not talk with. I hope you are not among those boys that used to people that they are looking for. Let me warn you. If I ever see your hand touch my sister here, I will deal with you. Let's go.
Calm down, man.
Let's go. So, they beat you very, very well.
Yes.
They flogged you very, very well.
Look at my body. Look at my body. Look at my body.
They did well. My only problem now is my gown and my bucket that they have broken. Where did they enter? Mazuka, where did they enter?
They entered this way.
I'm telling you, did you see that long hair that I was with gentlemen? When they entered the water, I wanted to wipe her.
So, it was both of you. It was both of you. Okay,
my friend. Get out of here.
Do not worry. Do not worry. Just know that you are looking for trouble from the wrongest person.
Okay.
Why?
Call him. No. Stop. Okay, stop.
Do not worry. If you think you are crazy, I will show you that I am mad.
Auntie, Auntie, what are you doing with their clothes?
Do you know who came here to attack you? It was that useless baby boy that you were greeting with your big mouth.
Okay.
Yes, himself and the other useless one that is round and very short that I saw molesting that girl.
Boy.
Okay, I have seen them there. But do not worry, I have already seized their clothes. When they come to get their clothes, they themselves will confirm that I am a mad person.
Auntie, it's wrong to attack them in those clothes. They will find you.
They will find you?
Yes, they will find you.
They will find me. You shut up your mouth. They will find me. Who will find me? When they come to get their clothes, of which if they delay, I will burn it down. When they come, then they will have to tell the entire villagers what they did before I took their clothes and left. They beat you very, very well.
Yes, Auntie, see my body. See. They flogged me, see my body.
That is very, very bad. But also, it is very, very good. Because this is your big mouth. You would have treated him in the first place. Carry your water, let's go. You see these clothes? You see these clothes? I'm going to burn them. I am going to burn them to ashes. Yes, I will burn them to ashes. Those boys stepped on the wrong person's toes in this village. They did not know. I am not normal. I am a mad person.
Why would you fight them?
Why? Yeah, if you ask me that kind of question, I will start with you this afternoon. What kind of foolish question is that? Did you not see my gallon? They broke my gallon. And they also broke Azuka's gallon. And you are asking me, what did I get? What did I get? Eh? You should be worried about my safety. It means stop being a weak man and go and fight those men who had the audacity to stand before your wife.
Honey, if you fight masquerade, do you know the kind of fine they will impose on you? Do you know?
So that is what is more important to you. Your worry is the fine that they will impose on you, right? Do not worry. I know them facially, one by one. I will visit them. So do not worry.
Honey, see, last time I checked, anybody that defaulted the masquerade court will be fined many tubers of yam and goats. Where do I get money?
At least I know where your loyalty stands with the villagers. I told you, Banketi, do not worry. Let me go and keep my evidence, and then I go after them one after the other. You did not hear me? Eh?
Eliza. What kind of trouble is this now? Eh? Kamadi no bia no piang pram.
No. No. I will not take this. No way, I will not take this. They will tell me where the masquerades were going by this time of the day. This will not end here. They will have to pay for the gallon. Imagine my daughter's body.
Papa, it's neither Christmas nor New Year. Why would masquerade come out in the morning like this?
Oh.
Why?
Nai, you had better go and warn the elders. Talk to the elders, talk to the youths. Why would they do this to my daughter? I will not take it from... Look at her body. I will not take it from anybody. Better go and find out the compound where that masquerade came from. What is this?
No, Papa, Auntie Eliza dealt with them. She dealt with them.
Eh? How? Didn't you tell her that she has no right to talk to them? That only men have the right to talk to them?
Papa, what do you want me to say? Why do you allow her? Mama, what do you want me to say? Open them more. Before I could say something. She had entered the bush where the masquerade entered.
Chimo, are you allowed to
Papa, it was okay and D-boy. And she even took their clothes home.
No. I wore the Nakrika. Nsobu has landed. Yanga the sleep. Trouble just woke him from sleep. Better go and warn Naka. Remind him of the consequences of his wife's action. No one. Sorry. No one them more.
Hey! Eliza! I knew Eliza to be a fighter. But least did I know that she will have the courage to fight masquerade.
Okay, now. Hey! Eliza,
Nnaka! Onya! Nnaka inokwe? Nnaka bia.
Iche!
Bia.
Iche. Hey! How?
Aru atona nwa. Your wife has defaulted the masquerade court. And the youths are there gathering now, getting ready to mine down here and burn this house down. Yes, sir. Chief, how can you allow that to happen? How? No, now please, you can't be in this village and allow you to burn down my house. No, now, Chief. Naka, this is beyond me and you. Don't chief me. Were you not there when your wife defaulted the masquerade court?
Hey, Chief, please don't. You have to help me, please.
Help you do what? Help you do what?
Okay.
How did I default them?
Okay.
When they broke my bucket and threw the gallon on the floor and flogged Azuka, where were you? Now you are here. I saw them. It was okay and that round boy. I saw them now. An old boy. I saw them. I seized their shirt. I'll burn it down.
Naka, in Anukwa.
Please.
They are talking about the what she did before she's doing. Naka, she has unmasked the masquerade.
Don't listen to her.
Elo, you have married.
Go.
You have married.
Go. Don't disturb us. Go.
Please. Look, let me see how you will not provide 21 goats, 15 tubers of yam, 14 kola nuts, and Gigi, fly eye, and other etc.
You are disturbing us here. Go.
Okay.
Go and buy it and boil it.
Okay. Okay.
I slap you now.
We shall see now.
Don't tell me that nonsense.
We shall see. I'm going, I'm going.
No, go.
So well.
When you're hungry now, you want to come and bring another new rule. You want to eat goat. Why
are you doing this now?
You still want to eat goat.
Madam Trouble.
How can you still want to eat goat?
21 goats. How? Honey, where am I going to get 21 goats? Mazi, I'm finished. Mazi, I am finished.
Nata, what?
Hi. Hi. I am finished.
What happened?
Iche Ude just left my house. He said that the youths and masquerade people are coming to burn down my house.
That what happened?
Eliza went to fight masquerade people.
I knew it.
Eliza fought masquerade.
I saw this thing coming. I knew it. I knew she would do this.
He said,
help him now. Say something.
He said they find me 21 goats. 21 goats. 15 tubers of yam. 7 fowl. And so many other things I can't even remember. Where do I get the money to buy these things? Where? Hey!
Say something now!
And if you don't provide them, you will certainly burn down your house.
That is where the problem lies. That is the problem! I don't have money to provide them and they'll burn down my house. What do I do? Hey! You have to help me talk to Iche Ndoka. Hey!
You go. If you want me to go down, you go. Hey!
I will talk to the elders. I will talk to the elders.
Hey! Please, my elders. I am begging, I am pleading. See, things have been so hard. In fact, things were already bad for me. That was why I left the city and came back to the village for good. I cannot afford these things you are demanding. I can't afford it. Please, just have mercy on me. You can't do this to me. Please.
My fellow elders, please, we are pleading. Tamper justice with mercy. Please. Our people said that Ometuimi. All of us own the masquerade. All of us are in the masquerade court. Please, we are pleading. Please.
But what must be done and be done well. After all, she defaulted. Nobody sent her. Did we? Are you here?
Mazude, we are aware. And we are also aware that there is a solution to every problem.
Yes, we know.
We are aware.
We are just pleading. We are begging you, as leaders of this cult, please cut down on the fine so that we'll be able to afford it.
Yes, she needs to be taught a good lesson so that others will not toy with her masquerade. Huh?
A woman for that.
A woman to toy with her masquerade. No. Maka, get up. Just get up from there.
Thank you.
Thank you, my fellow elders. I thank you very much, my fellow elders. I thank you very much. We have 1 goat, 1 fowl, and 4 kola nuts.
Yes.
Please, we are pleading. We plead, please accept what we have.
A second.
Mazude,
A second. One goat,
1 kola nut.
Please. Okay, go to a cook. Yeah. One in all this abomination.
We know. We are begging.
Okay. It will not spoil in my own hand. But you know that she will be the one to prepare all these things herself.
Yes.
At Naka's house.
Yes.
And all the drinks ọ dị nkwụ ala tie ngwo na ngwa ya ṅụ were gbagharị ya ụgbọ. All will be complete. There will be no for that side though. No problem. No problem. Did anybody send that?
We thank you. Thank you very much.
Eliza, you have to calm down. Please, just calm down. This is a very big temptation. I pray that our men will be able to calm the elders and the youth. Else it will be very disastrous. I don't like it.
It will be disastrous. They should plan their own. I will also plan my own. What do you put me? Somebody intimidated us, broke my bucket, threw Azuka's gallon on the floor, flogged Azuka on top, and you are here supporting them. Do not worry. I will show them something. I will show them. They should go ahead and plan. Me too. I'm getting ready for them. You think I'm not kind of person that can intimidate? Huh? I brought more.
Eliza, you a woman. Take it easy. You cannot win against tradition.
Okay.
You cannot fight against it.
No problem.
And you cannot win, that is it.
No problem. They should plan their own and win. Me too, I will plan my own in my own way and I will win. They will not intimidate me. I will show them. By the time I am done with them, they will differentiate who is mad and who is completely crazy. Which happens to be me. I will show them. I will first of all spray them perfume. Psiom, psiom, psiom. Sisi mio, sisi mio, sisi mio. Tan tan tan, kwam 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 kwam, kwam 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 kwam. They will see. Yeah? Do not just go there. Do not just go there. Don't you dare begin to blame me for this issue on ground now. People intimidated your wife. Men intimidated your own wife. Instead of to stand up for me, you're here blaming me.
Stand up for what? Stand up for what? Why are you like this? Why? Why are you always tormenting my life? Why?
I do not blame you. I do not blame you at all. They know that you are weak. That is why they have fined you to go and bring goats. Because they know you will be scared. You are poor now. You rush and go and bring it and give it to them.
You see your life? You see your life? If I did not go to meet some of my kinsmen who followed me to go and beg, where would I have got money to buy 21 goats? Well, you should thank your lucky stars. At least I begged them and they accepted to take 1 goat and 1 fowl. See, the punishment is that you will cook it for them and also beg them.
All I have to do is cook the goat meat and then apologize to them.
Yes, now.
And they will eat it. Go and sleep. I will do that. I will cook it and I will also apologize to them.
Hey, if you have been doing like this now, there won't be troubles. Alright, let's go inside and sleep.
Who is we? Who is let's? I said I am not sleeping in that place until you repair it. Into your chirigi? I said let's go there and sleep.
You want to make it a habit to sleep here?
This is my new room. I will sleep here until you fix that room.
Well, no, we don't have to quarrel about it though. Like I said, I went to see some elders and they were talking about one evil spirit that comes out once in a while and attack people who are not well grounded in the village way of life. I didn't even understand what that means, but I maybe city people. No, I just said I should. Oh no, what said that? Evil spirit is walking around.
Where do you think you are going? Huh?
I'm going inside.
I will not sleep inside that room. I'm going to sleep right here. Until you fix that room. I'm not moving. Oh! And you left me outside.
Sister, you called me.
Yes, Nkechi, I called you. Please go to my room. In my handbag, take money and go and buy me 3 bottles of stout.
What? Sister.
Shh, put your voice.
Sister, what do you mean? One is okay. Now why do you want to take 3 bottles of stout, Abi beer? I don't understand.
Huh? 3 bottles of what?
Papa, she wants to forget her sorrow, so she wants to take 3 bottles of stout.
Huh? Ure,
Why?
No, beer, me. No, Papa, don't lie down. I'm not drinking anything. No.
Listen, my daughter. You don't have to use alcohol to drown your sorrows. All you need now is prayer. Prayer. It is only God that can calm you down. You need to pray very hard and read your Bible. Please. Please.
I've heard you, Papa. I won't drink again. But Papa, anytime I remember this my sickness, it makes me cry, Papa.
Papa, when will all these things stop, Papa? Will this ever stop? Don't you think that this sickness will make men run away from me, Papa?
Believe me when I say that God will take care of this issue at His own time. There is nothing that is impossible for God to do. Just believe me. Pray and read your Bible. Please.
They think they can make me afraid of them. They think that I, Eliza, will be afraid of them. They thought wrong. No problem. They have judged in favor of the masquerades. No problem. I will just leave it in God's hand.
Hope you slept well last night.
What kind of foolish question is that? Is it your night? Or is it your slept? Did I use your eye to sleep? Go and ask your masquerade people if they slept well. You have chosen their side already. I don't want any problems.
Ini. See, I know you're upset. I'm sorry. But the truth of the matter is that if you did not attack them, by now, they would have been the one paying fine.
You're welcome, sir. Good morning.
Hey! You brought the goat already?
Oh, yes.
Hey.
Be careful with it, it's very stubborn. Take it.
Hey.
My wife will come with the items needed for the cooking of the goat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. Elisa, how are you?
Honey? Honey? Didn't you see him?
Burago. Eh? What if I saw him? What if I heard him? What will change? Huh? What will change if I saw him or heard him? You have all picked your side. You said the masquerade people were right. So stay there. Injustice. Just because you want to eat meat. You chose the side of the bad people. No problem. I'll leave it in God's hand. Don't worry, no problem at all.
I am very sorry about it. Very sorry. Yes.
Naka, you don't have to be sorry. I am not a visitor here. It is what we have signed. Let me go and remind Okaka and the other chiefs if they have, in case they have forgotten about today. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Honey? You brought goat.
I can see it. He looks exactly like the goat he brought. I can see it.
This is unbelievable. Eh? So Ure is gone. What sort of creatures are women? Eh? In fact, I should be thankful to God that she's gone, because she's gone for good. Yes. I wonder what will have become of me in this marriage. Thank God she's gone. Yes.
Hi, Ben.
Hello, Gloria. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, I'm sorry the manner I spoke to you yesterday. I'm so sorry. Please pardon my manners, please.
It's okay. We all knew drink was at work. I came to find out how you're doing.
Well, I am happy and I am not happy. I'm equally ashamed of myself. Well, I can say thank God that she's gone, but all the same, it's not right for me to walk into a marriage and jump out of the marriage just like that. I'm not happy that I'm single. Someone who was once married, suddenly he is no longer married. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. But I'm happy because Ure, I don't know the kind of a woman she is. In fact, I have to be very careful with women these days.
Just sorry about that. But first, you have to put yourself together and then see what happens later. If she comes back, fine. If she doesn't, you don't have to bother yourself. After all, there are so many good and beautiful girls around. Even here in our compound.
So many good and beautiful women. Gloria, my experience so far, I have to be very, very skeptical about women. I tell you the truth. Okay, thank you.
Don't bother yourself. There are so many beautiful girls in our compound.
Eliza, I am happy. I thank God that the elders were able to have pity on you. Oh, you call this having pity on me? Yes, now. You have been worse. Yes, you have been worse. I thank God. I thank God too.
Auntie, you know they said you have to beg them when the food is ready.
Yes.
I think the meat is ready.
Hey.
So you have to go and beg them now.
I have to beg them. You have to beg them, but you have to help me and check. Make sure that they are complete. I have to beg them very, very well. Make sure they are complete. It's important that they are complete.
Okay.
Now
I'm coming.
I have to beg them. Please check. Make sure they are complete. Oh. Go to begging. Let me ease myself.
Yes.
Yay. I'll serve it together.
No, thank you. Thank you.
Where is the cooler when you put the meat inside? The cooler. It's inside there. Just put it there. Let me get it.
Yes. No.
Bless you.
I love you, oh banana. Shabina 1+1 supposed to make us two. Whether you good or bad, not for me and you. Because 1+1 is equal to billion.
Yes, I want to go out and see someone.
Nothing can be more depressing. Loving someone but can love you back.
You have to stop thinking about it for now. Just try and organize your life.
So you brought food for me? Huh? So you are this nice?
How can you say that? Have I not been nice to you since we've been living in this compound? Even before you went to my room.
Gloria, frankly speaking, I can't believe that the manner I spoke to you yesterday, you will continue to be nice to me. Eh? Thank you so much for the food.
It's over now. I mean, no one owes a grudge against someone who was drunk. Eat your food before going out.
I will. Thank you again.
When you come back, we'll talk better.
Thank you so much.
Don't drink today, please.
I cross my heart. I promise you, I will not drink today. I will not. Eh? Thank you again for this.
Sometimes you go try your best.
Our wife.
Hey, I am very, very sorry. I am very sorry. You know I am a woman, and we get angry over very little things. Biko, Baram, oh, okay, I see. T-boy, I greet you.
Please, don't mention their names, eh? They are not here for you to recognize them.
I am sorry. I am very, very sorry. I will never ever speak to the masquerade anyhow again. Neither will I even talk to my elders in a very rude manner. Baram, oh? Hey, let me go and bring the goat meat. I am very, very sorry. Where people get meat from?
It is not meat. So we should have a taste of it. Since we suffer to cook it. Even though it's against the tradition that women should have a taste of it.
It's good, it's good. You push it, taste it.
Elisa, take now. I brought it for us to eat. At least we are the one that cook it. Only show my taste.
Yes, she tasted it.
I don't want any trouble. Before they will say I violated tradition again. No, I don't want any issues at all.
Auntie, since when have you started respecting the elders?
I'm respecting them. I'm afraid of them, sir. I don't want any problems at all. You know, I've already got to beg them. I begged them. I'm happy. I'm at peace. Them too, they are happy. They are eating.
You've changed though. I'm not okay. This masquerade should always come so that it will tame you.
No, I'm tamed. I'm tamed.
That serves her right. She's a very stupid woman. This will make her to know and understand the kind of village she finds herself in.
Yes.
Yes, so boys, you tried very well. You will really try.
Thank you.
Next time she tries this, we are going to eat 21 goats. Wham!
21? See, I can't wait for her to cross my path again. Anytime she crosses my path, I will deal with her. By that time, we go give her another fan. She will bring the goat.
What is it? What is wrong? Are you okay? Okay. Obia, are you alright? Obia. Huh? I don't know what's wrong.
Somebody tell me something. Somebody tell me something. okunuka atona mwangwe achani bwaswanuka bosona sindo madam okunuka atona mwangwe achani bwaswanuka bosona sindo atona mwangwe bosona sindo
Who locked this place? Where's the key?
What's wrong with you?
Hey! Who locked this place? The key?
What is wrong with
My
you?
stomach, I want a stool.
Stomach is paining you?
Yes.
When did it start? What did you eat?
Only this is not the right time to ask questions. Just the key.
The key to the toilet?
Key.
I left the key at Mazibe's house. Let me get it for you.
I'll die before then. Let me find books.
I don't work, I don't suffer, I don't run, I don't joke. Just
all
to
of
make
you
you
will
happy.
You will all eat meat in this village. Everybody, one by one.
Wanna what I say? I was a guinea come game, no copy when taking my I am for an
Aman.
Okaka, we have to do this for our late brother's sake.
That's true.
If not for us.
Yeah.
You know our brother. Naga would have seen the other side of the villagers.
Fujuanyano. Here. Yota. If what I'm trying.
What is it?
Hey. What in Kafosisa? I have to make use of the toilet.
He be around home. That he wants to go and defecate. Now yourself. What did both of you eat?
Amaron. Hey.
Oh this well. I doubt if I can make it home because let me make use of the bush.
Somebody tell me something. Somebody tell me something.
What is wrong?
What is wrong?
Obia. Okaka.
Okaka, please make space for me. Make space for me there.
Chai, Uche, oh. Hey, I found fatal. Wow.
What did you eat that is making you to defecate like this?
My daughter, I don't know. I don't know if it's the meat. The meat we ate at Naka's house. Oh.
Meat? How can only meat be causing you running stomach, eh?
That's why I don't like eating goat meat. I don't like eating goat meat, oh. Chai. Afo.
Mama, well, let me go get you drugs.
Hey, Uche.
What is it, Papa?
Hey, Uche, go and buy me tissue. Hey, I am dying, Uche.
What is it now? Nani,
I am fooling.
Oh God, you know, since I came back, I've gone to toilet 3 times. So, Chai, oh alam, Chai, Obia, oh alam, Obia. Now what? Let you. Obia, oh.
Chibo, what is all this? What is all this?
Wait.
What are we going to call this one? What are we going to call this one? No.
It's like it's coming again. That is why I hate goat meat. As I walk disgracing someone and making one purge like this.
Seems that You people put too much pepper and maggi. Huh? People will kill somebody one day.
No, Papa, we didn't though. Papa, I just can't tell why we are purging like this. I can't tell.
But it is not supposed to. It is not supposed to affect you people. I hope you did not eat off it too.
Just let's one. Just one. I think only one. Because we cooked it now. We have to taste it.
Oh! Hey! Did I tell you that women don't eat of it? I hope you people have not offended the gods.
No, Papa. No, Papa. If not, Mamuche would have been purging by now. But it's just us now. Papa, it's just us. Ome.
It's coming. It's coming.
Hey. Mama, tell you not on them. Oh, Mama, let's take.
Naka, Nwa Amadi. Has he gotten to this point? Eh?
You will not understand. I'm half dead here.
Hey. Sorry, oh. Sorry. Should I quickly check the pot and bring more meat for you to eat?
Lisa.
Huh?
You want to kill me?
How?
Eh? Do you know I don't like pepper? Yet, you're happy because you did not eat the meat.
Why will I eat it? Why will I eat it? This is a sound of warning to all of you. Let me see. Next time, come and make me cook goat meat for you. This is the sound of the arrival of Agbaranwa Eliza.
Eliza, I hope you are not the cause of what I am going through right now.
Naka, I hope that next time you people will not have the effrontery to order me to go and make goat meat pepper soup for you.
Hey!
Hi!
Eliza! So you...
Before you take your bottle, break my head. Before you will let that guy me see.
Stop holding your buttocks like that.
Come
on, eat more meat.
Before you will enkata kudemiri.
What is it?
What do you mean, what is it? What do you mean? Your brothers are after me. If I were you, I will advise them not to look for my trouble. Because me, I will give them trouble over those. You and them will suffer for it. All of you.
How me?
Anyway, to start, give me the money you promised me.
Only not again today now. Not again today now. I don't have money. I don't. See, you know things are very hard. I have not been making much money. Bad season, recession, everything.
That's it. Yes, everything. That's it. That's it. Give me the money you promised me. Did you not hear what your brother said? They said I was making trouble because I am idle. I do not want to be idle. And I am not a lazy person like you. So give me the money you promised to give to me for my business.
See, even Mazi that gave me this Okada on hire purchase, I've not been able to pay him. Last weekend I didn't complete his money. This weekend I am not sure I will even complete his money.
How is that my business? How is that my business?
Understand.
Give me the money!
Ijowa.
What does that mean?
What?
You looked at me and you said Ijuwa. What does that mean?
I wasn't talking to you. I was.
What does Ijuwa mean?
No, I was telling myself. I was telling myself Ijuwa. How did I?
Hey! You looked at me and you said Ijuwa.
Honey.
Huh?
Honey.
Me.
Honey. Honey. Relax.